if you're feeling in the mood, tell a joke, a funny story, whatever.
He's been trying to get us to do jokes since the time we entered this building. Do you want some coffee? Can I get you something to drink? Will you tell a joke? Can you please tell a joke? Can you please just fucking tell lots of jokes?
Tanmay, do you have milk and sugar in it, huh?
It's milk and sugar free.
Nothing is sugar free, Tanmay, remember. Starting today, we start competing for the next 6 months on how much we lose weight. We tried this before where we were nice to each other, we were emotional. Now we're gonna be toxic and mean because that's who we are. And I want him to have as much sugar as he wants, metaphorically and. Take no.
Fine.
See, 4 hours of sleep means he'll have carbs. People vlogging, Tanmay's vlog is getting really old, guys.
Also put it up on MySpace. It's really massive.
100
Did that guy say it on a vlog?
Yeah, last story.
Please follow me.
Wow, Rishabh, you really follow the vlog.
What is this new thing called? I'm gonna sound like an old person now. I saw an ad while playing Candy Crush, guys, of of this new app. I'm on level 1927. I don't know why I said that. It's an app called All Social, guys, and apparently it's the new thing.
Got to be social.
What is all social?
I don't know. It's apparently a new app. They're like the next big social app, and I'm like, that makes sense. I'll show you
Who is
Prashasti first.
top 10 influencer on LinkedIn?
Who?
Yes.
Uppu
Yes.
or Subbu? Yeah. Subbu that day came to my house and he's like, it's reached a stage in comedy now that I could be one of the top 10 hot comics, huh? And then he looked at us and none of us said anything. He's like, yeah, right? Yeah.
So this is an old school photograph of Prashasti on LinkedIn.
Oh my God,
And,
Prashasti.
and then there's Upamanyu. I mean, come on. That itself.
He looks
could be a
like
family man.
the IT cell of ISIS.
And he's given like full descriptions of every job he's ever had. It's very nice.
Like as a joke or really?
No, like really, like he's like the derivation of my societal norms of the way I communicated and all that stuff.
Bastard.
Read everything. We'll just keep.
Passionate about writing and performing arts, actively
You don't
pursuing.
need to get it. I'll put the.
Actively.
Sorry?
Saurabh, 1 second. Guys,
Do people know how to read?
you're ruining my vlog.
I keep it on me.
Just look at the camera.
I keep
and
it
tell
on
the
me.
jokes.
Okay.
I will take the screenshot and I'll put it on the left.
I'm keeping it on me, right?
Everybody's so fucking old,
Tanmay,
man.
I'm keeping it on me, right?
No!
Hey, wait, I just lost her.
You lost Prashasti.
This has been so wrong.
Okay, guys.
All I wanted was
Christmas.
one normal vlog. Just keep
Okay.
the camera on Saurabh.
Okay.
I will take the LinkedIn profile. I'll put it on the left.
Correct.
Can you just do one thing, normal thing?
Oh, look at that guy, he's cute.
What?
Why are we still here? Just to suffer.
Oh, Kanan Gill is also there. Software engineer at Exeter Group. Production of carbon disulfide.
Disulfide.
Disulfide?
Arey, disulfide.
Disulfide?
This guy's too cute, guys.
I will beat you.
Modi ji है
Designation is Prime Minister of India.
Apan de recommendation. 3.2, that's
He's
it.
India's biggest LinkedIn influencer. I'm not even kidding. That's legit. There was a profile on him that said Modi.
only one. National award.
No, I'll do it. I'll do it.
और बता मोदी जी का LinkedIn बता और.
सुमुखी सुरेश का एक
Ah.
असिस्टेंट मैनेजर Rhineland India Private
Excuse me, it's too Rhineland.
What are you were selling food?
No, Baba is testing food for microbiology and chemical parameters. Is this safe or not for you to eat?
So you used to eat it and then see what happens.
Arey, no, Baba. Oh my God. This classic food tasting. Food tasting, matlab, that's why you are like this or what?
2009 intern at Meenakshi Hospital.
Yeah, guys, I used to make porridge there.
Yeah.
Yeah, nutrition intern. So I used to make porridge.
What
and all.
patients do they put the interns on? हम लोग हार्वर्ड इंडिया पैनल पे जा रहे हैं और तेरा सवाल क्या है?
स्टेज पे गाली नहीं दे सकते ना?
प्लीज गाली दे.
एक हाथ फ्लो में
प्लीज एक काम कर. बात करते करते 3 गाली दे. मैं तेरे को 1000 रुपए देता हूँ. 5000 रुपए दूंगा. गाली दे. 3 गाली दे. 3 गाली और हिंदी वाले माँ बहन वाले.
एक ही दूंगा 3 बार दूंगा.
एक ही नहीं. तू फक बोलेगा 3 बार, उससे कुछ नहीं होगा.
मैं जाते ही 3 बार बहन चोद बोल दूंगा. ये फोटो ले.
5000 रुपए दूंगा. 3 बार बहन की गाली. ठीक है? बोल लो स्टैनफोर्ड की मत जुट. बोल fuck Stanford. Fuck Stanford. Fuck yeah. Fuck हाँ. You can't say fuck हाँ.
Guys, in the photo can you later?
3 बार बहन की गाली. 5000 रुपए. 5000 रुपए. 5000 समय 5000 रुपए.
you guys. That's it. This is Eve teasing, but both ways. With consent. We have a mic.
You guys really need an introduction, but it might as well just be helpful if you go around and just briefly introduce yourselves. And if you're feeling in the mood, tell a joke, a funny story, whatever.
He's been trying to get us to do jokes since the time we entered this building. Do you want some coffee? Can I get you something to drink? Will you tell a joke? Can you please tell a joke? Can you please just fucking tell lots of jokes? Harvard has money. Just pay us. Just fucking pay us. We'll do jokes.
Akash, how old are you, if you don't mind me asking? 21. I really thought he owned one empire. He's some 36. I was also giving him respect. हाँ मैं joke करूँगी sir आपके लिए.
Comedy in India is obviously a growing, evolving field. But, still entering comedy might not be, the most well-trodden path, to say the least. So what inspired you to enter comedy and, make that...
You're around NRIs when all their questions are like 3 years too late. You know what I'm saying? This is stuff that you answered 3 years ago. But for all you NRIs, it's like, oh, it's right. India, things are happening in India. How does it feel to have 4G internet?
Is anyone here in Harvard?
अरे.
Dude, we thought this was some esteemed thing. तुम लोग वेले आए हो यहाँ पर.
Are you from Harvard, Akash? Executive program or actual degree? Actual degree. Oh, बहुत पैसा, bro. बहुत पैसा.
Hi, hello guys, I'm a young guy. I'm 22 years old. ठीक है. नहीं, show off नहीं कर रहा था, मैं ऐसे बता रहा था.
Akash is 21. समय fuck up.
I'm not the youngest. Yeah, I know. मैं जब शुरू किया था तो मैंने ये AIB को देख के शुरू किया था. I was like, अरे यार ये रिकॉर्ड कर रहा है यार ये भाई साहब. तब जब रोस्ट हुआ था, ये सब हुआ था, तो I was in school. I was in 12th. I saw the
Disclaimer
roast.
डाला था वीडियो पे, but clearly it didn't work.
वही मैं वो देख के मैंने कहा यार ये तो मैं भी कर सकता हूँ. I did a show called Comicstan, if you guys know. He was in the first season. And I was in the second season. बस उतना ही कहना चाहूँगा और क्या मतलब. बस यार हाई नोट नहीं आया क्या करूँ यार. What inspired you, Sumukhi?
No, me, well, you know what? Wow, okay. I had a job and then I wanted to do something in the evening because I had a breakup. Because every good thing starts with a breakup. और मैं दारू नहीं पीती, मैं सिगरेट नहीं पीती, so that is a big problem. So I had to do something in the evening. No. So I'm like, I'll do theatre. And someone told me do improv. And then they're like, you have to make the scene on your own. I'm like, theatre वाले बड़े lazy हो गए हैं. Fuckers don't even write your dialogues. Oh, can I say fucker? Can I say fucker?
You just said it twice already, bro.
So my inspiration for comedy, guys, was myself. Because back then, when I started in 1927 in comedy in India, there was very little comedy happening and I saw myself and I'm like, my God, this guy's the future. No, dude, I was a writer for television for a long time and I was writing jokes for Indian television, which was shit. And I'm like, I might as well write these shit jokes for myself. And then I was working with Veer Das for a long time. You guys know Veer Das, right? The Priyanka Chopra of comedy. So we were working together. He was doing stand-up all over. I think there were like about 5 comedians that time, right? About 5 comedians or something. And Veer was touring everywhere. And he like, come open for me. And I did. I just wanted to have something entertaining. And I always a big fan of comedy, so I just got into it. There was no intention. There was no thought. I'm very ambitious.
All your answers are so proper. This is a fact, okay? For everybody who's doing stand-up, this need to constantly please and make people laugh, it all comes down to childhood. There's some emptiness inside that we're all trying to fill through laughter. I mean, for me and Sumo, it was, we were chubby kids. With Saurabh, it was ugly. His was Kashmiri, I guess. I don't know.
I was a fair guy in Andhra Pradesh, dude. I was the only fair guy.
That was your trauma?
Yeah, that was my trauma. You have no idea. Right.
Okay, Ananya Pandey, your struggles are real.
Can I say something weird, okay? There was a voice of Tanmay coming from that side, but I couldn't see him. Huh? Nobody got the camouflage joke!
Oh,
That's
I'm
a
very
great
camouflaged.
fucking
Oh.
joke!
Saurabh, Indian TV is calling back.
To that point when you're saying that people shouldn't necessarily feel easily offended and that you are apprehensive about it being homogenous, etc. Do you think that there is any justification for feeling offended? Do you think comedy should even feel any concern whatsoever about offending people?
No. How can people find comedy offensive?
Tanmay, you can.
Okay, that's fair. The feeling that they're discussing is that they don't self-censor.
Don't we? We always self-censor.
Oh, yeah, every single day.
Come on,
Dude, I'll be doing
Tanmay.
a open-
Sumo, Saurabh, this
Yeah.
is not true when you see 5 comics hanging out. and you hear them laugh a lot, it's usually a joke they will never perform in front of an audience.
That's true.
I mean, that's
It's
basically
called self-censoring. You can never be entirely yourself. It's not
Correct.
possible. Or Akash, पूछ.
Akash forgot. Akash
और
like,
कोई
"Ah,
सवाल है
sorry,
2016
morning."
से?
Good morning.
Why don't you ask us about comedy as a career option next?
If you want to ask yourself that one, and
No,
then give
I'm
an
good.
answer. Perfect. All right.
You guys are in comedy for like a lot of years. The traditional way to like write jokes is crack a joke and see what works like in the beginning. But do you guys like start a joke from the beginning? Like do you think the science behind it like this?
कितना गांजा मारा है तूने? हैं? बैठ जा. बैठ जा. कोई लोड नहीं है.
Listen to me. Like you must know this that if you add a gali in a sophisticated situation, like it's easier to get a laugh.
Oh,
Like,
he's
it
going
adds-
for it, huh? He's like, "Tanmay,
बैठ
as
जा
you
तू
are
यार.
aware."
Like it adds.
ये YouTube commenter level वाले तो accusation मार रहा है ना.
Man, I'm not accusing you of anything. It's a natural way. Like listen to this. Like
सवाल क्या है तेरा?
सवाल है कि when you guys are writing jokes, so how do you go about it? What is the process?
सबसे पहला मैं गाली वाला एड्रेस करता हूँ. मैं थक चुका हूँ ये बोल के. अगर मैं स्टेज पे जाके 10 मिनट सिर्फ गाली दूँ ना, कोई नहीं हंसेगा. गाली is usually to emphasize an emotion that you're going for. You need to have a core joke to get a laugh. You need to have a core understanding of what the insight is. Bill Burr is also extremely funny while he cusses. So is Jerry Seinfeld. Then they both have respect for each other. No, Jerry Seinfeld isn't like, hey, tu gali deta hai isliye laugh. No one is doing that.
I think you misunderstood my question.
I understood it very well.
No, not at all. एक बार सुनो.
तूने अगर ये पिच अगले 30 सेकंड में खत्म नहीं किया, मैं क्या जोक
तुझे हार्वर्ड अभी रिजेक्ट कर रहा है.
So Abhish Matthew, go to his YouTube page.
Oh,
He's
Journey
got
of a Joke.
Journey of a Joke that has multiple episodes that tells everybody, or a layman can also understand how a joke is written.
So the answer is, okay, this is how you write a joke, okay? It's x plus y squared into pi r f
And you've given it away now.
divided by 17. I'm sorry to reveal secrets.
We're all out of business.
I have two questions for Samay. What is printing engineering and why were you doing it?
I have a Kashmiri quota. I just messed up my 12th because even I had a breakup. I don't know if there's any Kashmiri Pandit quota guy over here. We don't have to give an entrance exam after 12th. हम लोग को सारे कश्मीरी पंडितों को they call us and they make us stand in a line according to 12th marks. So जिसके ज़्यादा नंबर होते हैं उसको आगे खड़ा करते हैं, जिससे कम होते हैं उसको पीछे खड़ा करते हैं. और इससे लंबी लाइन लगती है कश्मीरी पंडितों की. It's like a buffet with limited items. So कोई सब आके चिकन खा लिया तो बस पनीर ही बचा हुआ है, फिर पनीर खा लिया तो बस कांदा है. अब कांदा पहले होगा बट whatever. ठीक है. तो I was like second last in that line और पीछे पापा. The only option I had was printing engineering or chemical engineering in Nashik. So I was like, Pune आते हैं. The question what it is, even I still don't know what it is, dude. Like I have no idea what the hell it is. कुछ सिखाया नहीं हम लोगों को. कॉलेज के आय का जेरोक्स वाला गेस्ट लेक्चर को आता था. I mean like, तू भी BBA कर रही है तो मतलब you also can understand the pin.
Perfect. So I think that's all the time we have. A huge round of applause for our panelists, please. We have a little gift for you, actually. But before that, we'll just take a photo, I guess.
One gift or? Okay, cool.
₹5,000 दो.
ये लो भाई, this is for you.
नहीं मेरे को पैसे चाहिए. आपने बोला था आप बहन की गाली दोगे 3 बार.
लंड बोला लेकिन.
नहीं, एक ही बार बोला. 3 बार बोलना चाहिए था. सर 3 लंड मिनिमम जरूरी है.
रिएक्शन नहीं आया लंड बोलने पे. मैं बोला तो गलत बोल दिया.
मुझे क्या मिलेगा?
क्या मिलेगा?
अच्छा दे यही दे दे.
This is for Tanmay Bhatt.
Okay.
For being such a.
For being so kind.
For being so kind and for me being a.
क्या लिखने वाला तू?
बहन शो लिखने वाला तू.
Hey, can you guys do a subscribe link for my vlog? As soon as I turn the camera towards you guys, just yell, like, share, subscribe. All right? Hey guys, if you enjoyed that, then please hit like and make sure you drop a comment. And before we go, I just have these guys to tell you.